Two of my best friends are coming to my house and I have a surprise for them. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a special surprise for my two of my best friends, Aaron and Red. They are actually my bandmates in our church, and I've been with them since preteens. They're going to stay in our condo unit, and they don't know this, but I have a surprise for them. So, check this video out. Okay guys, so ngayon magta-travel na tayo. At ang gagawin natin ngayon ay bibili tayo ng isang item para sa kanilang dalawa. So yun, pabili na ako ng keyboard from Tito Blitz. Gawin natin ng paraan paano natin sila mainganyong mag-vlog. At pag sumama sila dun sa vlog, ang gagawin natin, nanalo sila ng keyboard. Each. Sa Jollibee na daw sila. And ayun, susundin ko na. At mamaya, mag-online classes yung isa dito sa kwarto ko. Isa naman, ewan ko na lang kung anong balak niya. Pero mukhang siya yung mag-unbox ng mismong unang keyboard. Sige, sunduin na natin siya. Woo!
Shoutout! Samson College! O JT! Shoutout!
Papa-shoutout random person. Yung number na ito. Sarap ba? Mangi naman, no?
Main ka na?
Yep.
Ayun. Kain pa tayo sa bahay mo?
Sumba kumain?
Oo.
Okay, G.
Yung luto ni Mami.
Luto ni Mami? Sige. Aaron.
Red.
May sasabihin pala ako sa inyo.
Ganda ba? Black.
May surprise pala ako sa inyo. Ayun yung dalawa.
Hindi. Oo?
Oo, legit.
Ano sa'yo naman?
Kaya ako rin kayo in-invite dito ka. Gusto nyo ba manalo ng 500 pesos?
Wala ka naman gagawin natin. Hindi sinabi ba yun?
Hindi. Meron kayong i-unbox na isang item, i-review nyo. Tapos, iti-test out nyo yung item na yun.
Gadget ba yan?
Sabi mo ganun. Basta iti-test out nyo yung keyboard. Kung sino man yung pinakamagaling, may surprise.
Save daw. Compete kami.
Magkukumpit kayong dalawa. Pagalingan kayong dalawa.
Hi.
Mga nakiki ano.
So for today's vlog,
Wow!
parang oral sama.
Ano bang gusto nyo gawin?
Hi guys, so welcome to our vlog. So I'm with Red and dito na ang keyboard.
Fast hands.
Our video, my friend JosiahDoesTech asked me to unbox this box. Ay, di pa pala bukas?
Hindi pa.
Ikaw na. Okay na?
Oo. Sige.
Nalagay yung unboxing to ASMR to. Ganyan pong gala na. Siyempre. Ano ko? Iano mo naman to. Kita mo yung ilaw. Comes with RGB colors.
Pagkatapos i-unbox ni Aaron yung mismong keyboard, I had to think of a way kung paano sila mainganyong mag-vlog. So they decided to use Valorant as the competition. And whoever wins in Valorant gets to keep the keyboard. Or yun yung pagkakalam
Pag
nila?
nanalo ako, saka na to.
Pag nanalo ka, kung paramihan kayo ng kills ni Red. Sige. Yan, dalawa na. Ayun na.
Pero masipin mo! Nice one.
Wow, grabe!
13 kills.
Huwag ka naman.
If naglalakad.
Pag-proud.
Ng satellite for internet dito sa
Yan?
Oo, yan si Sino?
Try ko nga i-off yung ano. PC.
Left side. Diyan, call. Yan!
Lala.
Let's try.
Oh! Nice one! Huwag ka tumingin na! Dahil kita ko sa akin. Ano yun?
Change your fate. You've lost your doomed. You're here to stay. The two of you cannot escape.
Yan.
Daya, ayoko na.
Okay.
Ano yan, Rod?
13-6 po.
So, Josiah, laban tayo.
Pero, teka lang. Clear winner. Oh, congratulations. May keyboard ka na.
Tama ba yan?
Ah, legit yan.
Hindi, okay lang.
Hindi, okay lang naman kasi meron rin namang sarili si Aaron.
Oh!
Eh?
Oo. Regalo ko sa inyo yan. So, baliwala yung laro niyo.
Salamat, Josiah.
Thank you, kiss ka.
Thank you.
No problem.
As you all know, wala akong kapatid. They're the real definition of good friends talaga. No, great friends. Like, andun yung asaran, kulitan, bonding moments nyo talaga. You share the same interest with each other. At alam mo, maasahan mo sila kapag kailangan mo sila. Or at least makiramay dun sa mga pinagdadaanan mo. I don't want to get too emotional in this video because that's not the real objective of this video. The main point is I enjoy having fun with these two. That is why I thought na magandang invite sila dito for an overnight stay kasi kinabukasan kami rin naman nakikita kasi Saturday and it's church day. So yeah, thank you Aaron, thank you Red for coming. Hope you like the gift. This video is sponsored by, well, no one. This is actually my personal money. So yeah, for you guys who are watching, please do consider in liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel so that I can earn a lot of, chings in this very YouTube channel. That said, thank you so much for watching. This is your host, Josiah Marcos Store. This is JosiahDoesTech. See you on the next tech tip. Have a great day, everyone.
You're going down.
Hindi kami may US.